has a line of durable latex textiles, or if you want, durable latex fabrics. With durable latex fabrics, you have three categories. You have frontlit, you have natural fiber frontlit, and then you have backlit. Backlit is what I'm holding here. This is the HP durable backlit fabric. This has a 4 or better on a dry crock test. We have created a coating that is perfectly complementary to latex inks to give us more scratch and scuff resistance, both in printing and then in post-printing during fabrication. In most cases, this is going to be sewn with a gasket so that you can use a silicon edge graphic system. That's how most backlets are installed. Now, holding this print here doesn't quite do this justice, because in reality, the print needs to be seen in a light box. When you see this HP backlit fabric in a light box, it's absolutely spectacular. It is without question, in my mind, the best looking backlit fabric that I've seen. I think we compete very well against sublimation. If I were to put this in a light box and sublimation in a light box, I think the HP has better clarity, better saturation, and better detail. Its image quality is the absolute top of the line. The blacks look fantastic. The colors are spectacular. If you have a need where a customer is looking for the best quality fabric backlit, this is the product to consider. And you can do this with a standard latex printer. It is all available on the Media Locator. All you have to do is download it into the printer, take the roll, put it in, and print to it. When I want to impress people here in the demo center, when I want them to say wow to a backlit, this is my choice. It's scuff and scratch resistant, it's durable, it's been vetted, it's been extensively tested. This is an excellent, highly compatible, durable backlit fabric to use with all of our Generation 3 latex printers.